everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and this is an unboxing of Burst of Color by Sarah Moustafa. She is 22 inches by 27 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 68.7 centimeters, and it is a square canvas with a total of 61,824 drills, 58 total colors. Crazy. She's beautiful. This kit comes with a bronze card. You're welcome to have it if you want it. There is your colors. There's your picture. It has 1 AB and 1, 2, 3 fairy dust, and wow, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors that Diamond Art Club has created just for this canvas. Nice. Here are the drills. I'm not taking them out of the package. Oh, they're beautiful though. Great colors. If you're interested in this kit, email me at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com and make me an offer. Looking at the colors, this is the first time I'm unboxed this one, guys. I like this one. Should I keep it? Look at her face. Her face is beautiful. And in the camera, you can really see where her little freckles are going to be. Nice. You just want to look at her face. She's so pretty. Well, again, the drills. Very pretty colors. Look at the sparkle. Look at that pretty blue. And I'm sure when this is done, as with every Diamond Art Club canvas, this is going to pop. It's going to be beautiful. All right. I like it. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and please, everyone, be kind.